Something about purple and eye makeup and all this. So what are you saying?
Oh, okay. You know purple?
Yeah.
You know purple?
Yes, I know purple.
You know purple?
Yes, I know.
Or you know purple?
Yes.
You know purple? You know it.
Yes.
Purple.
Yes.
Okay, good. Alright, purple?
Yeah.
Purple.
Yes.
Purple on. You know makeup? You know makeup?
Yes.
Alright. Makeup. You say it. You say it. Say it.
Makeup.
Makeup. Makeup.
Makeup.
Purple.
Purple.
Alright. Makeup purple
Makeup purple.
on eye. Eyelid. Eyelid. Okay? You put the purple.
Yes, the purple.
Ah, you hear me? You know. Hey, where you walking? You know purple.
Yes.
Purple makeup
Uh-huh.
on eyelid.
Yes.
You spread it. You spread it like butter.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Alright, you put it on eyelid
Okay.
and you spread it.
Uh-huh.
Spread it with passion.
Okay.
With passion.
Okay.
No passion? You know passion.
Okay.
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
You know?
Yes.
Where's your face? I cannot see your face. Why are you hiding?
Okay, what about passion?
Oh. Well, show me your face, because I cannot see your face.
Here.
Alright. You know purple.
Yes, I know purple.
Don't give me attitude.
I'm not
Don't sass me.
I'm not.
She's sassing me.
I'm not.
Alright, what do you know purple?
Yes, I know purple.
Oh, where am I going with this?
I don't know. Something's purple.
Alright, well, purple. Spread it with passion.
Okay.
On your eyelid. Alright, on your eyelid. Right there, not there, not there, right there, not there. Alright?
Okay.
You get it?
Okay.
Well, no, sir. Well, once you spread it, it look good.
Okay.
It look very good
Okay.
on brown eyes.
Okay.
Not green.
Uh-huh.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Not blue.
Okay.
Not black.
Okay.
But brown eyes.
Okay.
Only brown.
Okay.
You put it on anything else. And I will come to your house.
You come to my house. And what?
And I will kill you.
What?
I will kill you down. No, I'm joking. No, I know. And I won't make you bread.
You won't make me bread.
No.
What?
I will not make you bread.
Why do I need bread?
There will be no bread.
Why do I need bread?
You eat bread lots of times.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
What? No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. I don't
I
know.
hope you know I recorded you when you were sleeping.
That's creepy.
I'm joking, I didn't.
You did. You lie. Why you lie?
Look at her eyes. Look into her soul.
I cry because you know put purple. No, you know have brown eyes. You know happy family. No. Okay, are we done?
No, we're not.
Why is it in my face?
Because you're Mrs.
Why is this camera in my face? What? Why are you here? Why are you in my face? You devil!